How to make iPhones answer calls automatically. Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's video, I'll show you how to make iPhone answer calls automatically. This is going to be a really quick and easy tutorial, so let's get started. We have to go to settings, and from settings, all you have to do is look for accessibility. So accessibility is right here, just tap on that. And then look for touch under physical and motor. It's the first option here, so just tap on touch and then scroll down and look for call audio routing. So tap on call audio routing and that should bring you to this page. And we have auto answer calls right here. So all you have to do is tap on it and basically just tap on the toggle button here. Now you can set it up and decide how many seconds you'd like your phone to ring before the phone is automatically answered. So let's say 3 seconds. And now that it's on, let's go ahead and try it out. So as you can see, you don't even need to save it. You can simply just go back and go back to your home screen. Once you receive a phone call, it should automatically be accepted. So I'm gonna try to give my iPhone a call right now from my iPad. And there you go. As you can see, my iPhone answered the phone call without me touching it. And that's how easy it is for you to make your iPhone automatically answer calls. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.